Alrighty guys, welcome back to the best investing money management channel on YouTube. In today's video, we are going to be talking about, are we near the bottom of this crash? Now, for those of you that don't know kind of what's going on, well, the general stock market pretty much year to date is down about 21%. Now, this is pretty much classifying it as a general crash or a recession or whatever you want to call it. But pretty much what's been going on is sell-off, right? Everything has been selling off, from tech to healthcare to energy. Pretty much everything is just very, very volatile and terrible. Now, there's a lot of reasons why, but I think more importantly, it all comes down to this right here, inflation. Looking at this chart, you guys can pretty much just see how drastic this is, right? 2022, the inflation rate is 9.1%, which is terrible, right? And a lot of people thought 2021 was bad at 7%. Comparing it to 2020, right? 1.4, 2019, 2.3, 2018, 1.9. And you guys can just see how low, right, the total inflation is. And on average, it gets about, the general healthy inflation rate is about 2%. That is considered healthy for the economy, because you want inflation. Inflation is good for the economy. But today, a whole bunch of banks in general have been just getting absolutely obliterated on their earnings. And this has caused a lot of panic with investors, because why would you want to hold a stock that has been selling off? So companies like JP Morgan, if we look at the stock today, it sold off and went from 111 all the way down to as low as 105. And if we look at this chart, right, you guys can see just how much this thing has sold off, right? In the matter of a couple days, this thing is down all the way to $106. Did get a little bit of some buying pressure right now, but just the general banking market has been getting sold off. And on top of that, companies, like Goldman Sachs got some sell off today. Now, oil is honestly kind of good that it's sold off. The reason why is because for the average guy, it will make it more affordable to put gas in their tank. That's always a good thing, right? Because it'll make it a little better for us. But on top of that, the general wholesale, right? Wholesale products is up 11.3%. compared to last year, which is crazy. That's why we've seen an increase in just about anything from office supplies to food. And just on top of that, there's just been so much volatility just among the general market. So if we go back and we look at, just the S&P 500, I always think that everybody should be investing in this. I always think there's such a huge upside when you invest in this. And in answering that main question, right, that a lot of people like to ask is, Carter, is the stock market at its bottom? I definitely think we're not close. And I know that's hard to say, but the reason why I say it is because historically, the general stock market crashes for about 14 months. And given that we are only 6-7 months into this crash, we still have a pretty much a year window where the average recession starts to pan out. And on top of that, we're still looking at another year of recovery for buying pressure. So personally, guys, I think there's a lot of volatility. I think there's a lot of opportunity to buy high quality picks like the S&P 500, like Apple, like a whole bunch of fantastic blue chip companies that carry a lot of potential. And on top of that, guys, you just have to have the long-term outlook. If you guys are looking to invest and make a quick buck, investing in the market will bring more volatility to your account than growth. Personally, if you only have $100 to invest, right now there's a lot of opportunity, but you have to be looking at a minimum of 2 years or more before you guys see some sort of growth in that. So guys, answering that question, are we near the bottom? Personally, I don't think we are. So guys, that is it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, concerns, make sure you guys like, comment, do all that down below. We'll see you guys later. Remember to stay happy, stay positive, and stay safe. Take care.